what he defined his campaign about. I remember in the Republican National Convention speech, he promised us that inflation would end immediately. That's a direct quote.
That's Bidenomics.
He said day one, prices will go down. Now he's in a dog catches car situation where the prices are going up because of him. And if people see him working on other things that they don't agree should be front of mind, if they see him touring the Kennedy Center or raving about Greenland, or if they see him not aware that 4 U.S. service members are missing in Lithuania right after his aides put fighter pilots in danger with this signal situation. Dude! I think that he looks like he is not following through on what he promised people he would do, and that gives Democrats a big opportunity. I do think it's important for us to go through some soul searching, making sure that we're meeting people where they are, making sure we're listening to people about what their top priorities are.
Oh, please don't do this. I'm begging you, just give me one more chance.